Hello, this is a review for prepositional phrases for your quiz. So up here you guys are going to see it gives you a review of what prepositional phrases are. They say a prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and it ends with a noun or pronoun. That noun or pronoun at the end is called the object of the preposition. So for example, the bumblebee buzzed by the pink flower. We know from memorizing that by is a preposition. So I told you guys when we took notes on this a little while ago, we would use the what trick. And you would say, by what? And then the answer would be by the pink flower. That noun at the end is called the object of the preposition. This whole thing is called the prepositional phrase. And we cross it out not because we don't like it. We do like it. It's really descriptive. It tells us more about where the bumblebee buzzed. But I think we want to cross them out because later in the year and next year when you go to identify all different parts of speech, these prepositional phrases are annoying and they get in the way. So we like to just eliminate them and it makes identifying parts of speech easier. Okay, now on to the really exciting stuff. Number 1, the original source of fire was lightning. You guys know that of is a preposition. So you ask yourself, of what? Of fire. Fire is the object of the preposition. So of fire is the prepositional phrase. A fire started when the tree was struck by lightning. Preposition by. By what? By lightning. Lightning is the object of the preposition. By lightning is the whole prepositional phrase. This one's going to have 3 prepositional phrases. Primitive people took glowing coals of slow-burning wood from this fire and preserved them in a shelter. Of what? Of slow-burning wood. From what? From this fire. In what? In a shelter. The shelter was often deep within a cave. Within is a preposition. Within what? Within a cave. Cave is the object of the preposition. So within a cave is the entire prepositional phrase. An attendant stayed beside the coals. Beside is a preposition. Beside what? Beside the coals. Now down here, you are going to write 2 prepositional phrases or sentences with prepositional phrases of your own. But I don't want you to reuse any of the prepositions up in sentences 1 through 7. So one that we didn't use up here would be against. So I could say, the boy threw the ball against the wall. So since I know against is a preposition, I say against what? Against the wall, and there's my prepositional phrase. Let's use another one. Let's use through. Through the window, I could see the rain. I know through is a preposition. Through what? Through the window. There's my prepositional phrase. So prepositional phrases can be anywhere in a sentence, the beginning, the middle, or the end. They can be right next to each other too. You can have 2 right smack in a row, just like we did up here with of slow burning wood and from this fire, right smack in a row to each other. That's okay too.